What if your savings grew quietly in the background while earning more than your bank? And you can just focus on living life. This is informational content sponsored by Crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks such as price volatility and market risks. So, before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. In today's video, we are going to be looking at Crypto.com and how it can take your wealth to the next level. So, without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of Crypto.com. So go to Crypto.com. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. So this is how the website will present itself. As you can see, this is where you are going to take your wealth to the next level. And as you can see in the back, level up quite big. So first of all, I'm going to show you some of the offers that they have implemented since 2025. And if you're missing out, you should go and check it out. So first of all, I'm going to take you to this screen where it says Crypto.com offers up to 5% APY with their new cash earn program. So that is actually crazy that you can get 5% APY with the new cash program. So they've implemented it since October 22, 2025. So make sure you don't miss out. And another good thing is that the interest will automatically update without any extra steps. So that is pretty cool. And that is something I like a lot about Crypto.com. Also, keep in mind that this 5% will be earned on your balance. So if you have more money, your 5% will obviously be a bit bigger. So this is something that you need to consider. Higher risk will bring higher reward. So the more money you have in, the higher your 5% will. So please make sure that you consider how much you're willing to risk before you put any money in. Okay, guys, so we are now going to go back to the homepage, and Crypto.com is not only built for investors, but it's also built for savers. So as you can see, you can obviously trade the markets right here, and you don't have to trade in order to benefit. So they have crypto, they have predictions, and they have some of the trending coins. And then it's made for both individuals or businesses. And then you can go and discover a bit more about the website, like their events, their news, and they have quite interesting news as well. So this is perfect whether you are an investor or a saver, you can benefit from it. And like I said before, you don't have to actually trade to benefit from Crypto.com. So even if you're a everyday user, you can benefit more with Crypto.com than you would with your traditional banks. So it's definitely worth considering investing into Crypto.com. Okay, guys, so if we scroll down here, you can see the Level Up program or their subscription. And this is great because it's accessible for literally anyone. So whether you want to go very cheap for $4.99 a month, $29.99 a month, or even $50,000 for their private group. As you can see, you can make it a bit cheaper as well if you go for their yearly contract. And this is great because it's accessible for literally everyone. So whether you want to go cheap or expensive, for the plus version, the pro version, or the private version, anyone can access it, and it's really, really easy as well. And the great thing about this is that it will work with small accounts, so small deposits or small balances, as well as large deposits and large balances. It will work with literally anything. So whether you are a beginner, an expert, you will have something that will work for you at Crypto.com. Okay, guys, and another big thing is when you actually go and invest money into a platform like this, you want to make sure that they have security that you can trust. And Crypto.com is actually backed and trusted by one of the biggest names in the crypto finance space. And they have a really, really good security system. It's easy to put in money and it's easy to take out money as well. So whether you want to move your money in or out of your account, it's really, really easy. And their security system is top notch. So you take your wealth to the next level, start your free trial today and see how easy it is to actually make your money work harder for you. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.